stud that was in here that actually was the foot leveler for the bottom of this chair leg, it was frozen inside, and so it broke off and we had to drill it out. When we did that, we couldn't get the stud out of the aluminum, and so we had to drill wider than the stud was. And so now we're going to do a repair to this, which is called a helicoil repair. This is the helicoil, but what that forces you to do is drill a bigger hole than you normally would. You can see the size of that tap, and then this is the size of the regular 5/16 tap.